Hi my friends, today I want to show you how to make the money origami. Let's go! We need $4 bills, fold the left upper corner down. Make a crease along this line. Unfold and fold the excess part down along the edge. Unfold and fold it inside. We have a square. Fold the bottom edge to the upper one. Rotate and repeat the previous step. Fold the bottom corner to the center. Turn over and fold the left corner to the center. Fold the bottom corner to the upper edge. Fold the left upper corner to the center line. Open the right part. Fold the right corner in half. The module is completed. Fold 4 modules. Connect them together. Insert the corner into the pocket. The origami is completed. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye!